Hi beautiful people, get ready with Mama and Zoe as we go to visit our second Oma. It was her birthday sometime last 2 weeks, but they were on the boat on a vacation, so we didn't get to wish her happy birthday. So today we decided to visit her and also celebrate with her in our own little way to congratulate her on her birthday. It's not really a big event, it's just going to sit, have some coffee and cake as usual, like Dutch visiting, because we're not going to stay for dinner. Then I had to pick an outfit for myself and baby girl. Our outfit is from the Bold Baby brand. We got a message from them that they would like us to check out their outfit, so they sent us a mom and daughter matching outfit for us to check out. So that's what we're wearing for today. I brought up my outfit for myself and for baby as well, and I did a little outfit check for me and then went to baby girl's room to also do an outfit check for her. I had to put the jacket over because it was getting a bit chilly. Then we got to her place. She also gifted Zoe a fishing dog. She had gifts for her also. Then we gave her what we bought for her. Earlier in the video you saw her unboxing her gift. We had some cake and coffee, and they had some toys for baby Zoe to play with. Later we went to the backyard because they have a boat and their house is by the water, so we had a little look. Then she was watching us from upstairs, and that was it. Thank you for watching. Love you.